Hi guys, it's Adam's Horror Corner, back with another video. I have got from Living Dead Dolls, I've got a Leatherface Living Dead doll. I want to unbox it right now for you guys. So here is the box. He's out at the moment. I like to prep before, I like to take them out of the box, and then I'll just show it. It's so much quicker. And there is the box, front, side, pretty woman, kills mask. There he is, apron on. So cool. There's the back. So you can turn this one doll into two Leatherface action figures. It's so damn cool. Living Dead dolls. So let's take a look at this. There it is there on camera. So cool. His apron. He's even got the boots, cowboy boots. He's got the trousers, the tie, his kills mask. It looks so... Look, this is so... I'm a Texas Chainsaw Massacre big fan. I love this Living Dead doll. It's probably my favorite one. I have Ghostface in the Living Dead dolls. I have... Oh gee, there was a few. What was the other ones? I got Freddy Krueger. This one is my favorite. Now there's his face. So cool, the mask he wears. I love that mask. I've got it on the wall in my collection area. It's the back of his apron strings. Even got the strings. Got the... So cool. And then he's got his chainsaw. Zack replica from the first movie. Gunnar Hansen uses Leatherface. I'll put Leatherface over there. Yeah, this is the... It looks like a Zack replica. It looks so... It's doing the chainsaw sound. Where he cuts poor Franklin in the wheelchair. And... interchangeable head. Pretty woman. It's another one of my favourite masks I have on the wall where my collection area is in my house. It's just love the mask. He wears that mask at the end of the movie, final scene, the dinner scene. Puts that mask on at the dinner table, terrorising Sally with the rest of his deranged family. The cook and the hitchhiker, the grandpa. And this, I'm going to take out now. It's in a little bag. And get it out. Hold it. That's quite cool. So, this is the suit jacket. That's the suit jacket he wears when he's Pretty Woman. So you can take the apron off, put that on. He wears that suit jacket as Pretty Woman. So cool. Yeah, I just love the Pretty Woman mask. It's so good. I'm going to try and change his head right now, live. on video. Oh, that was easy. Let's have a look. He looks a little strange with the apron on and the Pretty Woman mask. That just looks a little weird. It'd be better if he had his jacket on, but you can put the blue jacket on. Take the apron off and put the blue jacket on him. That movie's so iconic. I love it. I love Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Something else I gotta show you guys that I got off Ed Neal. Ed Neal plays the hitchhiker. I just messaged him on Facebook. I hit him up and he sent me this. He's such a generous, kind person. Edwin Neal as the hitchhiker from the Sawyer family. So there he is there. There's the gunner with the sledgehammer. There's the cook. Grandpa. He's the grandmother. How he signs it up. Ed Neal. He signed it. Hitchhiker. There he's there. He played such a iconic character in that movie. I couldn't imagine anyone else playing the hitchhiker. No, just only him. So, Ed Neal, thanks. Thanks a lot for this autograph. I really appreciate it, buddy. Thanks a lot. So he sent it all the way where he lives to Australia. He signs it up the top. I've got something to keep. Put it in the frame. Just can't believe I got it. It's just unbelievable. Love it. Love all my stuff that I have. T-shirt I'm wearing is Leatherface, the final scene of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. The sunset. Sally gets away in the truck. I don't want to give too much away if you haven't seen it. And he's angry and he's dancing with that chainsaw. The final scene of the movie. I watched it on Friday the 13th. Me and my friends, we watched it, family. Such a great movie. This shirt, 3XL. I got this shirt from tpublic.com. If you go on tpublic.com, just type in Texas Chainsaw Massacre or Leatherface. This should pop up. So I hope all my viewers and subscribers, I hope everyone out there is doing well and everyone's good. Phantom don't look so good, but there he is. So that's it for me. Another video over. See you guys again very soon. Another video. Just give you a full shot of that. There it is. Also have a cool shirt with Franklin and Sally on it, where they're standing next to the van near the final scene before Franklin gets turned into sushi rolls. Don't want to give too much away if you haven't seen it. Texas Chainsaw Massacre 1974, directed by Toby Hooper. Go and watch it if you haven't watched it. It is excellent. One of the greatest horror movies of all time. Besides Halloween 78, which that's my favourite horror movie. But check you guys later. Peace out and take care. Another vid soon. Bye.